Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Structure of Benzene and Molecular Formula. Students, today now we discuss structure of benzenes. Benzenes are chemical formula is C6H6 and structure of benzenes are given below in slides. And the history of benzenes. It is the hydrocarbons we are now called benzenes. What is the first isolated in 1825 by Michael Faraday from an oily film that are deposited from a gas used for gas used, and the Faraday did some experiment and discovered that the new compound have had equal numbers of carbons and hydrogens, and so named it carbonated hydrogens. So the 9 years after its discovery, another chemist is a Mr. Sterling found its called produced by the same substance by the heating a chemical that had been isolated from gum benzene. So he decided to the call of compound of benzene. Another suggestion was the German names benzols from the German's all meanings oils, but it the French and England's that is name is benzenes. So was used interested to avoid to the all endings confusing in which it with the alcohols. So only for names is the benzenes. So the introductions benzenes, it is the important organic chemicals compound which have the chemical formula are C6H6. The benzene molecules is composed by 6 carbon atoms joined in a ring with a 1 hydrogen atom attached to each carbon atoms. So benzene is classed as a hydrocarbons because it is contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Okay. So definitions of aromatic compounds and introduction of organic chemistry. The definition of an aromatic compound is one that has the planar rings with a 4 and plus 2 pi electrons, where n is a non-negative integers occurs roles. So now with descriptions is the molecular formula C6H6, empirical formula is equal to Cauchy, H, and molecular mass is equal to 78. Percentage of carbon is equal to 93.6%, and percentage of hydrogen is equal to 6.4%. So the structure formula representing the benzenes and cyclic structures. It is the aromatic hydrocarbon. It is the physical state is liquid at room temperature, and it is the melting point is 5.5 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is equal to 80 degrees Celsius, and is the high in flame levels. Okay. So benzene burns with a smoke due to the high percentage of the carbon. It is insoluble in water and it is insoluble in organic solvent. Nature of the reactant are substitution reaction and addition reactions under special conditions. So benzene is a natural constituent of the crude oils and is one of the elementary petrochemicals because of the cyclic and continuous pi bond between the carbon atoms. So benzene is classed as an aromatic hydrocarbon. The second n annulenes and 6 annulenes. So benzene is the colorless and highly flammable liquid with the sweet smells, and it is the responsibility for the aroma around petrol stations. So structures are possible. All possible structures of engines are represents and Clausius structures and draw structures and Landberg structures. And the aromatic structures are third structures and Kekule structures represents. So next important reaction are Kekule structures. The Kekule structure of benzenes is C6H6. What is the Kekule structures? Kekule was the first to suggest in the sensible structure for the benzenes. So carbon are arranged in the hexagons, and he suggests alternating double bond and single bond between them. So each carbon atoms has a hydrogen attached to its. So defect of the calculus structure are represent here two ortho positions are characterized by the single bonded carbon atom, and here two ortho positions are characterized by the double bonded carbon atoms. So the defects of the having two ortho position was explained by the proposing that the positions of the double bonds in benzenes are not fixed. So instead the double bonded in the benzenes molecules keep changing their position, and thus of all position in benzene molecules becomes identical. So the benzenes are represent of the in this can that can be explained and represent in slide calculus structures and bond formations, and new structures are generated in calculus structures. So chemists generally used to the calculus structure, and late at 1945 many ring structure for benzenes have been proposed after calculus structure. Okay students, so define calculus structure. Total structure of benzenes are 5. 3 structure are Debar structure and 2 structure are calculus structure. So Debar structure are represented given below, and below the in the calculus structures. Okay, thank you.